It is time to replant this because it's gotten way too big for its pot. And you can see, I'll pull this out. You can see on the bottom, the roots are just out of control down there. So it's time to replant this. I'm gonna fill this with some potting soil. Move this back over. I'm not going to put too much in it first. Let's see how bad these roots really are. Come on out, come on out. I bought this plant for $2 at the local discount superstore. And it's been about a year. Something won't let go. Here it is. Oh, it's looped. Second. There we go. There we are. Ho 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 ho! Look at that. It's crazy. Well, welcome to your new home. I totally thought I was going to run out of potting soil. This is crazy. So it's surprising how much is in these little bags because it gets compressed down. Some on that side. Happy plant. Nice new food all over, all around you. Be happy, grow bigger. I just had a friend's daughter who recently got engaged just leave this weekend. It's her first child that's actually left home permanently, and it was quite emotional. And because I've known her since she was born, so this is very, very metaphorical. It's a new pot, a new opportunity to make your roots go deeper and grow taller and be fruitful and healthy. So there you go, very nice. And now water, and you are ready to reach the skies. That's right. There we go, yay. Not really centered, but anyway. All right, there it is.